Okay, and another handy function, another really just important thing to understand is our data types in Python. Data types are a subtle way that we communicate with Python. Kind of not the code that we write, but the underlying subtext of what we're dealing with, we're managing. That's communicated to Python through the data type and lets Python know what can be done with any given object that we're giving to it. Okay, so this is really important for your code to work is that you understand the data types. Okay, and so here, I think of data types kind of like translating from one language to another language. We can translate a string from an integer and it really just is the same value, but we're changing the data type and what can be done with it, right? And so kind of how you can really contextualize things differently with each language. The syntax is different, you use them differently, but you're saying a lot of the same thing. Okay, so really just translating it into a new data type. Okay, and this really just important to understand when you're dealing with coding. I believe all coding works the same, all coding languages work the same, as that data types are very fundamental in making your coding work and to avoiding headaches in your workflow.